Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make barbecue pork chops. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this barbecue pork chops will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'm using to prepare my barbecue pork chops. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Also using 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You're gonna need yourself some light soya sauce. You're gonna need some honey and also 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And here I got 4 pieces of pork chops that I'm using. I have already wash my pork chops with some vinegar and lime. Yes guys, I've washed them, cleaned it up. Now I'm just gonna start to season up my pork chops now. I'm going with my all-purpose, guys, my dried thyme, my black pepper, my ginger powder, also my onion powder, my garlic powder, my mixed herbs, also my paprika. So now I'm just gonna add my chili flakes, guys. As I heard it, this is optional. You don't have to add the chili flakes, but I like my pork a bit spicy. I'm just adding that. Now you need to get yourself a gloves, guys. Just rub in all of this lovely seasoning onto your pork chops. Yes, guys. If you don't have a gloves, you can use your hand. It's up to you guys. Oh, one more thing. I'm just gonna add some oil to my pork chops onto that, guys. So it's easier for the seasoning to stay onto the meat. About 4 tablespoons oil. There you have it now, guys. I'm just gonna rub up this seasoning now into my pork chops. Guys, just want to make sure you rub on that, all of that powder seasoning onto your pork chops, guys. Wow, I'm telling you, the seasoning smelling so nice, guys. I wish I was in the kitchen here to smell it. So guys, that's how you want to do it. I'm just gonna leave this to marinate for about an hour and a half now, guys. I'm just gonna rinse off my hand. Now I'm just gonna cover this up now with my cling film. I'll get right back to you guys when my pork chops are finished marinating after that hour and a half. Yes, guys. Now in the meanwhile, my pork chops is marinating. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my barbecue sauce to put over my pork chops. Yes, guys, you're gonna get yourself a small pot like this to make your sauce in on medium-low heat. Yes, guys. Just want to go ahead and preheat that pot, that small pot, for about a minute or two. pot is preheated. I'm just gonna go in with my 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Now you're just gonna go in with your honey. About 1/2 cup of your honey, guys. Gonna give that a mix now, guys. And you're going in about 2 tablespoons of your light soya sauce. Guys, so let's give that a mix now. Okay, guys, the sauce is smelling so amazing, guys. Smelling so lovely. Now I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. I'm just going to mix in that mixed herbs now in your sauce that you're making. You want to keep stirring it, guys, because you don't want your sauce to stick to the bottom of the pot. So just keep mixing it around. Sauce, I'm telling you, taste it. This guy's perfect. It's amazing. Now you're just gonna leave this to boil for about 2 minutes. Yes, guys. And I'll get right back to you. Now here you have it, guys. After that 2 minutes of my sauce is cooking on the fire. Guys, I'm telling you, this sauce is smelling so amazing, guys, and it's also tasting so good. Now guys, my sauce is finished. Now I'm just gonna turn this off and just leave it here until I'm ready to start on my pork chops. I'll get right back to you guys. Now guys, my pork chops is finished marinating after that 1.5 hours. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my grill pan. Yes guys, you want to preheat your grill pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure your pan is well hot on medium heat. Yes guys, and I'll get right back to you when my pan is preheated. Now my grill pan is finished preheated. Now I'm just going to apply my pork chops to it. Just remove my cling film. Guys, you don't have to add any oil on your grill pan. Yes guys, you already add oil to your meat when your pork chops when you were seasoning it up. Gonna add them in there now, guys, and you're gonna leave them for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side, guys. Wow, smell like seasoning already, I'm telling you that. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm turning my pork chops to make you see the beauty of it. Now after that 10 minutes, guys, it's time to turn my pork chops on the other side now. And that, guys, wow. Telling you guys, it's smelling so amazing in my kitchen right now. This pork chop is smelling so lovely. Guys, I'm just gonna leave that now for again on that side. And I'll get right back to it. On each side, that's how you want your pork chops to look. Guys, looking so beautiful and smelling so nice, guys. I'm telling you, guys. I even went in and add 2 more pieces to my 4 pieces of pork chops. Yes, guys, I have 3 more pieces in there. Now I'm just gonna add the next 3 pieces of my pork chops to the grill, guys. It's Pork chops are smelling so lovely, guys. Can't wait to finish them. Alright guys, as I told you, 10 minutes on each side. Just like that. You can see, guys, spoon oil, but I season it up and I pour some oil on it. I was saying before, you don't need to add no oil to your pot, guys. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm flipping these and I'm turning them over. Yes, guys. Now, guys, it's time to flip them over now for that 10 minutes. Guys, turn them over now. Wow. I'll get right back to you guys when my pork chops are finished grilling on that side. Now there you have it, guys. My pork chops are all finished. 6 pieces of pork chops. As I told you before, I had 2 extra pieces in there. Yes, guys. See? It's smelling so amazing, guys. Lovely. So I'll get right back to you when I'm gonna put it in the oven. I need to go into the oven also. So we'll get right back to you guys. Now when you're finished your pork chops, you just want to go ahead and get your baking tray, also with some baking paper inside of it. Yes, guys. You just want to go ahead and add your pork chops inside of it. You're going to put them in the oven for half an hour. Yes, guys. In the meanwhile you're doing this, you can go ahead and preheat your oven on gas mark 6, 200 degrees Celsius. Yes, guys. Guys, get rid of this plate. Now you're going to take your sauce that you make earlier. Let's start to coat them. Just like that, guys. And make sure you coat all of your pork chops with this lovely barbecue sauce that you made. Just like that, guys. That's what you want to do it. After you finish coating this side, you're going to turn them over to the other side. Just like that, guys. Flip them over on the next side like this, and then you're just gonna give them the next coat again. You want to make sure you coat them properly with that barbecue sauce that you made. Just like that, guys. I'm just waiting on my oven to get hot, and then I put them inside. I'll get right back to you guys. Now my oven is preheated after that 3 minutes. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna put my pork chops into the oven now for that 30 minutes, and I get right back to you guys. Now when you're putting in your pork chops, you want to make sure you put them in the middle of your oven. Yes, guys, place them in the middle right there. Get right back to you when those are finished, guys. Now it's that 30 minutes time now, guys. It's up. Now here you have it, guys. Wow. And those beautiful pork chops, guys. Telling you, smelling so amazing. I'm just gonna serve this out now and show you guys with some mashed potatoes. Yes, guys. Now here you have it. I've served out my barbecue pork chops with some mashed potato, some coleslaw, and also some cucumber. Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. When you try it at home, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes guys, thanks for making it Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Until next time, thanks for watching.